Do you know everything about your bank? It's a question few of us ask ourselves, and yet it's one that holds significant weight in our daily financial lives. Banks, as we know, are institutions that we entrust with our hard-earned money. But beyond the polished counters and the welcoming smiles, there's a whole world of banking that often remains hidden to the average customer. For instance, did you ever stop to consider the myriad of fees and charges that come with banking services? There are overdraft fees, ATM fees, maintenance fees, and account minimum balance fees, all of which can add up to a significant sum if we're not careful. Knowing these fees and finding ways to avoid them can save us more money than we realize. And what about interest rates? These are offered on savings accounts, certificates of deposit, loans, and other financial products. Understanding how these rates work and how they compare across different banks can help us maximize our savings and minimize borrowing costs. Then there's the mysterious world of credit scores. Banks use these numbers to assess our creditworthiness when we apply for loans or credit cards. Maintaining a good credit score can open the door to better interest rates and terms on loans and credit products. Banks also offer a range of investment options, from brokerage accounts to mutual funds and retirement accounts. Understanding these options and the associated risks and fees can help us make informed decisions about growing our wealth. Let's not forget about security measures. Banks have robust systems in place to protect our accounts and personal information from fraud and identity theft. Being vigilant about phishing scams, securing our online banking credentials, and regularly monitoring our accounts for any suspicious activity is our first line of defense. Banks also offer financial assistance programs for customers facing temporary financial hardship. These can range from loan modifications to payment plans or fee waivers. It's worth exploring these options if you're under financial strain. Of course, banks are subject to regulations and oversight from government agencies. Understanding our rights and protections as consumers can help us advocate for ourselves in our banking relationships. And finally, there are alternative banking options such as credit unions, online banks, and fintech companies. These institutions can offer competitive interest rates, lower fees, and innovative financial products and services. In summary, while banks may not openly disclose every detail of their operations, we can empower ourselves by understanding the hidden aspects of banking. By staying informed and proactive, we can make sound financial decisions that align with our goals and values. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of banking, it's your most valuable asset.